Welcome back. It's time for the people, places, and things we are obsessed and or impressed with. And I gotta be honest, sis, the thing I'm obsessed with this week is courtesy of your brother, Kamakana Naipo. He was the one that told me about the world's biggest marble hunt, and now I cannot get it out of my brain. I'm so obsessed. I cannot wait to join. Now, if you're not familiar, this is a worldwide public hunt for handmade glass art marbles. Take a look at some of the marbles that Kamakana, this is part of his collection, right, sis? Mm-hmm. Look at that.
I mean, yeah, it's just, this is like levels above the standard marble. Mm-hmm. You know, like the little bambuchas when you used to, look, they're capturing art in glasswork.
That is, look at that,
and
the
it
butterfly.
Is the size of a marble. It's tiny, yeah. And look, this is a pumpkin marble.
That just
so cute, yeah.
So these glass artists, they make these customized. These are snarbles.
Yep. The reggae. You see the reggae snarble.
And then what happens is you got hunters and you got hiders. So the hunters will, of course, go around all over the place. I mean, it's not just here in Hawaii, but we're talking about global.
Yes.
And then you got the hiders that they will, like Kamakana was telling us, he goes certain places and then he digs holes and then they put the marbles in like a bag, one Aloha sticker, yeah?
Yes. And then they also have information about the artist because the idea is not just about hunting or hiding, it's about also supporting those people that do crafts. And these guys, they're creating glass. It's like literally mini glass sculptures. Oh. That's what you're getting.
And so I went to a vintage shop and had marbles in this vintage shop. I was like, oh, so I took a picture. I said, brother, you let me get these for you? He's like, yeah, I like that fancy kind, because that's the only one, like at the cat's eye.
Yeah.
It's not anything fancy like those marbles we saw. So thank you, Kamakana, for making me so addicted or obsessed.
Yes.
With this marble hunt.
Yes, we gotta go do some marble hunting. But I gotta tell you something about I'm impressed with.
Okay.
Now I am a Steelers fan. It's on my bucket list to attend a game in person, perhaps first on the West Coast, but ultimately in Pittsburgh. So I do have a jersey and a few terrible towels. Mahalo to fellow fans, Ron Duran and Big Steve Naiole for those hiccups. And I proudly swing my terrible towel when I'm watching games, but I'm super impressed with this towel. Look at how huge it is. They actually unfurled it right in the middle of a game.
Wow.
And I know this looks like AI, but
I was
going to
ask. Are you sure?
This bugger is real.
Wow.
Look at that. So the fans are passing it over their heads in the stands.
Bruh.
Right? Isn't that huge?
That's huge.
I definitely want to be at one of these games. Now, the next game is coming up Sunday, October 12th. It's a home game against the Browns. Steeler Nation. Woo, 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 woo. See, I don't have my terrible towel with me, but I got the motions.
That's okay. You got the terrible part. All right.
Hey!
No, just kidding. Here's something we've been obsessed with. First of all, yours, the small kid, since small kid time. We got the local style cream crackers.
Yeah, so this is our standard cream cracker, which we absolutely love, but it comes in all of these cool shapes. We have the shaka, we have diamond head. In fact, I'm going to go grab a shaka. I'm going to go inside the bag and look for a shaka.
And shout out.
Look at that. I got the shaka.
Wow, you picked the shaka out. Amazing.
Boom.
And we also have, that's the iconic Hawaii shapes. And then they got the Ruff-n-Ready Cookies, sis. These smell.
Oh, those are like little bites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me try to bring out one.
We grew up eating that one at Kamemesku's. That was part of our snacks, but it was bigger. And we would have it with milk. Super ono. Okay, you chew first. We already got scoldings from our director. When the two of you guys eat, nobody can talk. So only one person eat.
I'm good.
No, these are great snacks. I love this. This is the Aloha Kine Cream Crackers. And to be honest with you, this is not only fun to eat, but this is a great gift to give away. There's one that says Aloha, there's shave ice, rubber slipper, just cookie slipper. There's a flower, a rainbow, a surfboard, a honu. Good stuff.
I love this. And we actually ripped the top of the bag off so that we could get the goodies inside. But they actually have on puka in the top of the thing, so you can make one lei, if you like, and give them away for a special occasion. Or you can be like me and Lina girl, we're just gonna eat this whole thing.
I'm eating the shaka, but I'm leaving one finger special for you, brother. No, just joking.
I missed it. I didn't see which finger it was. All right, mahalo Diamond Bakery for all of our goodies over here. Go grab yours while you do all your shopping. Diamond Bakery, thank you so much. All right, time for us to take a quick break.